Hey guys, right now I am in the Ikea parking lot. Just Cash and I was gonna say Cooper. I get all my kids' names mixed up. Whatever, that's what happens when you name them all with C's. But it's just me and little Cash right now. Jeff is gonna pick up Cooper from school so that I can vlog my trip through Ikea. We just had an Ikea open here in San Antonio. I used to have to drive to the nearest one, which was in Austin. It was like on the outskirts of Austin. So we would have to take like almost a 2-hour trip. I guess it's not quite 2 hours, but still we would have to take a trip or a drive and spend the day going to Ikea. And so I would only get to go to Ikea like maybe once or twice a year. But now the new Ikea is literally 10 minutes from my house, which is super exciting. I had been here one time before, but I kind of had to rush through because I had to go and pick up Cooper from school. So I thought that I would take you guys along with me this time. I know that a lot of people don't have an Ikea. You can order from Ikea online, so if you find anything that you like, you can order it online. And I'm gonna show you guys some things that I like while I'm in here, show you around the store, and then I'll show you what I end up buying. So I did buy some stuff the last time I was here. I might include that in the haul at the end of this, I'm not sure. Or I'll just tell you when I'm in the store, like, hey, I also have this at home, because I have a lot of things from Ikea. I love their stuff, I love the prices. I love putting furniture together, so I never mind buying things or furniture that I have to put together because I enjoy it for some weird reason. I love having projects to do. So anyways, last time I went to Ikea, this was highly requested. Everyone was like, are you vlogging it? And I didn't vlog it, but I decided today I am. So let's go on in here, enjoy our time, and see what we can find. Hey, you ready to go to Ikea? Huh? Are you ready to go to Ikea? They actually have childcare here, but he can't go in there. I think they have to be potty trained, but that's okay. You still have a good time, right? I think that these straps right here are the coolest thing. Wait, is it on the side? Yeah, wait. Yeah. You just pull it and then it attaches to this side over here. Just like that. That's so easy. I wish everybody had ones like that. Okay, you ready? Are you ready? Are you camera shy? You can't be camera shy, honey. These are actually really pretty. What do you think? Do you like that? That's pretty. Those can't be that expensive. Why wasn't it? You can't have it. These are nice towels. Oh gosh, I thought they were only $1.99. $6.99 is not bad. Let's see. The soap dispensers are $6.99. It's pretty. These baskets are so cute. You could put those in a nursery. Right, Kashi? How cute. Love that. What do you think? You like it too? You want to touch the leaves? Okay, velvet pink couch. My kids would destroy that, but it's so pretty. Only $1.49. It's not bad. Look at that pretty chandelier. I actually really like this whole setup. This is really pretty. This rug is nice. It looks really dirty. I mean, obviously people are walking on it, so I don't think it always looks like that, but anyways, I like all of it together. It's really pretty. That's nice. I really would like to have a sectional like that. not bad for all of that. This room is pretty. Look, there you are. Oh, sorry. Okay, I really like these baskets. $19.99. Not bad. This is so pretty. I love the pink and the green. Pretty. I love all of this, like these gray dishes up here and the baskets. These would be so cute in a nursery. Let's see. Look at this little table lamp. That's cute. And the little pink dishes. I want a kitchen sink like that. These are nice. This is really pretty. I like those up on the wall. Let's see if we can squeeze through here. What? Okay, this basket is so cute. I love that basket. Alright, so now we're in the kids section. This is literally one of my favorite areas. Look how cute this bed is. This tiny little toddler bed. My kids usually go straight from the crib to a twin bed, but that is just so cute. And these cute little kids room rugs, like you have a playroom. It's only $24.99. Some fitted sheets. It's a pretty good price. Look, here's a white fitted sheet for $5.99. I think that's a crib sheet, but still. So this is the high chair that everyone always asks me about. I've got two of them now. They're only $22.99 altogether, I think. Which is, yeah, $22.99, which is so cheap. This is the best high chair in my opinion. It's so easy to wipe off. If you don't want the little tray, it's $17.99, but I guess if you want to scoot it up to the table, you could. But I absolutely love ours. That's why we have two of them. And then this blanket, oh my goodness. I looked at this blanket the last time I was here and I wanted it because I think it's pretty gender neutral. Should we get one? I almost got it last time. I really wanted one. They're so pretty. I think I'm gonna get one this time. Oh, look at these. That's a nice blanket. $14.99. Can you hold on to it for brother or sister? Can you hold on to it? No, you little stinker. I also have this changing table. This is only $69. It was so easy to put together. But if you're looking for an inexpensive changing table, I highly recommend that one. So these are the best dish towels. I have quite a few of them. They're only $3.99. $3.99 for a 4-pack? Oh, I thought there was only 2 that came in here, and then they also have blue. Okay, this pillow cover is the second time I've looked at this. I looked at this the last time I was here. It is gorgeous. It's like $35, which is kind of expensive for Ikea, but this is like my favorite area to look in, is the pillows. So I have these. I'm kind of regretting it because I feel like they don't go with my house. They were only $6.99. I love buying pillow covers because I have so many actual pillows that I feel like buying more pillows is just a waste, but being able to buy the covers makes more sense. And I look at this every time I come in here too. This pink blanket. Looks like it's the last one. So I'm really liking this pillow cover. It's called Joffred, not to be confused with Offred, if you know what I mean. But it's really pretty. But I'm looking at this one. This is a dark gray. This is like a dark navy. You like that? You just want to touch it? Here, you might actually get one of those. Can you hold it? Good job. Let's see. I think I have to get one of these lavender ones. These are so pretty. Do I have something to put it in? No, don't drop it, please. Which one's the prettiest? Hold on. Hold on. I like that one. Can you hold it? Thank you. Guys, she's drinking some sparkling water. And we couldn't leave without a cinnamon roll. I actually got the cinnamon roll for him, but now I'm eating it. What do you think about that? Did you have a good trip to Ikea? Do you want a piece of cinnamon roll? You want a piece? It's good. It's really good, I promise. Here. Now you're gonna make me eat it? Oh, okay. No, just kidding. Never mind. Thank you. Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to show you guys what I picked up while I was at Ikea. It wasn't a whole lot of stuff, honestly, but I did grab a couple of things. So I got the 2 pillowcases that I was looking at, the Joffred ones. It's like I don't want to call it a denim because it's definitely not a denim, but it reminds me of denim a little bit, but it's like a navy. And it's got a very light pattern to it, which I like. If I get light pillowcases, my kids get them dirty. So I'm trying to go with a little bit darker neutral. And then here's one insert for them. I'm pretty sure that I have a 26 by 26 pillow. If I don't, I'm gonna have to go get another one of these. But I think I have one, so hopefully it all works out. I'm gonna put them on there in just a minute. And then I did get one of these baskets. I'm either gonna use it for Cash's nursery or the new baby's nursery. I love these. I think it was like $12.99, which is really good for a basket like this. It is so cute. And then I got one of these lavender plants. I actually was going to get the little, white bucket or vase or planter, whatever you want to call it, that it goes in, that I had picked out. And then the girl went to scan it and she was like, oh, this is a display one. I'm like, well, why were those sitting out in the area where you like, you know, where you buy them? It wasn't throughout the store. So anyways, I was kind of bummed about that, but these are really pretty. And then the last thing that I got is this mustard color baby throw. I just couldn't stop thinking about it the last time when I saw it and knew that it's pretty gender neutral. I like this mustard color for boys or girls, so I picked that up. And that is it for my Ikea haul today. Pretty proud of myself. I didn't go too crazy, but I did get some good stuff. So if you guys have an Ikea near you, definitely check it out and pick up some of these items.